Hey everybody, Francesca here. So today I'm talking to those of you out there who have little to no relationship experience. And you might feel very isolated in the fact that maybe you've never been in a committed relationship, maybe you have, but not for many, many years, or maybe you've never had sex, maybe you've had a lot of sex, but not a lot of commitment, whatever the situation may be. I talk to people every day who are in the situation of feeling very self-conscious about the fact that they, maybe have never had a boyfriend, or the fact that they have had lots of really short relationships and not long-term relationships, whatever the case may be. Wherever you are, I just really encourage you not to judge yourself, not to beat yourself up, to really release any of that embarrassment and self-consciousness that you might have about your situation and your history. And just know that one of the most important things that you can do for yourself is to really start to build the confidence that you need to make those long-term connections that you are desiring. So I'll talk to women sometimes who, they've never had a boyfriend and they're ready to meet their husband. And I say, listen, it's great that you want to meet your husband, and as well you should meet your husband, but there's also an intermediate step of getting that confidence of meeting men, going on dates, going on second dates and third dates, and really just going through that process and knowing and developing those skills and knowing that you can develop those skills is so meaningful to people. So rather than go from 0 to 60, just know that just take some steps and build that confidence and get that experience. And I don't mean that you have to date for 10 years before you get married, but maybe for 6 months, or just start to do those things so you're getting in front of different guys and you are building that confidence and you are developing those skills. And even if you're a super experienced dater and you had lots of relationships, if they're not turning out the way that you want them to turn out, then there's always room for improvement, and there's always room for really developing and cultivating those skills that are going to make you successful in the long term. So wherever you are in your relationship journey, I wish you so much love and so much success, and I believe in you, and I hope that you believe in yourself. So have a great day, and thanks for watching.